Okay, just when we thought, I'm all gloved up, just when we thought cinnamon rolls couldn't get any sweeter, cinna-bunnies were born. Amy Lund, AKA the Dough Lady, is back in our kitchen to teach us how. These are darling.
Thank you.
I would say almost too darling to eat, and we have been snacking down on the props this morning. This is the first appearance, for me anyway, of the Cadbury egg this season.
'Tis the season.
Down, down, down I go. Yeah, I just become subject to the egg. Okay. These you say are easy to make. You can actually make them from an already baked cinnamon roll.
They're so easy. So you're gonna start with the dough actually. So if you have your own dough base that you wanna use, great. If not, you know, you can, I sell some of this that's already made.
Do, and it's delicious.
And it's so easy to do with your kids. You can be the fun parent or the fun aunt or grandma, whatever.
The fun nana, we like to say too.
The fun nana. Whoever you wanna be, this actually doesn't take that long. So you can be crafty and fun, but it's really, really simple.
Check, check.
It's very easy. So we're gonna start with some thawed dough. So you just want it soft enough that you can manipulate the dough a little bit.
All right.
So you're gonna unroll it probably about a third of the way.
Is this allowed? Okay.
And this is gonna be the body of the bunny.
Got it.
And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna shape these ears. You're almost gonna make just a little heart.
Oh, I see.
So go like this.
There he is.
And then you can kind of squish this side into the body. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab some toothpicks.
It's like it was made to do this.
It was, it's so easy. You're gonna grab some toothpicks just to keep it in place as you bake. Don't put them all the way in because you still wanna be able to have some toothpick out so that you can pull it out.
Okay.
And it doesn't get lost.
Got it. Bake per usual.
Bake per usual. So one thing that I like to do, when I bake my cinnamon rolls, we dump cream on top of them. But for this, we're just gonna brush them with cream because a little bit of cream is better than no cream.
And is that a flavor thing or a texture thing?
It's a moisture thing.
Okay.
Yeah, we're done eating dry cinnamon rolls. So this is what does it for us, is heavy whipping cream.
Amen, sister. Okay.
We're just gonna brush them here, and then we're gonna bake them like normal.
Cute. You frost them up. The Cadbury egg I referenced becomes the nose. Chocolate chips for the eyes.
Chips become the eyes. Yep.
Hey, cutest. Thank you for
You're
showing
so
us
very
this. And you're
welcome.
right.
Aren't they cute?
Very easy.
So easy.
Crafty meets cooking, baking, at least in the kitchen.
Exactly.
And you have yourselves an edible Easter project. We love you, Amy. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.